We'll guide you through how to use the ChatGPT Resume Builder to create a standout resume. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your desktop and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the Resume Builder feature on the dashboard, usually located in the Tools or Services section. Click on it to get started. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information such as your name, contact details, and a brief summary about yourself. Make sure to fill these fields accurately because this forms the first impression. Next, you need to add your work experience. Click on the Add Experience button and enter your job title, company name, and the duration you worked there. Be sure to highlight specific achievements or responsibilities that showcase your skills. After that, head over to the Education section. Click on Add Education and input your school degree and graduation date. It's important to include any honors or relevant coursework that relates to the job you're applying for. Moving on, you can add skills by clicking on the Skills section. This is your chance to shine, so list skills that are relevant to the position you're pursuing. ChatGPT might offer suggestions based on your work experience, so feel free to use those. Finally, review your resume and make sure everything looks great. You can use the preview feature to see how it will look to employers. If everything is set, go ahead and download your resume or save it to your account for later use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.